it doesn't depend on the size of the house. I think it is on how big your heart is.
Our hearts are, I don't know, at least we feel that they are big and large enough. And we're always open.
And I think we are the happiest when we are together. And that thing extends into our, invitation to people coming in, and we share that happiness. Hi, this is Shankar Mahadevan. You're watching Asian Paints, Where the Heart Is. Welcome to my home. Oh, you guys are already here. Welcome to my home. Chalo, I'll show you all. Come. So this is the living space. Yeah, I mean, where do you get, high ceilings like this in the city? That was a fantasy which Sangeeta, my wife, and me always had. We should have, whenever we build a holiday home, we need a hall room which has got a high ceiling. For me, sonically also, you're always, you hear that reverb? Yeah. So that reverb attracts me, And as you can see, we have got a lot of seating over here. Simply because we are people's people. We love friends coming over, whether it's my friends, Sangeeta's friends, my kids. There are people all the time, and you need a lot of seating for that. So that's why, all the seating over here. There is a fear amongst people that, I should not have colors in my house, too many colors. It may be too loud, it may be, too striking. I think it's a great idea to experiment. Look at the combination of colors that we've used, and it's worked, it's worked. It makes you feel happy over here. The same thing is with music. You have to go all out for it. You should not have inhibitions. You should just go all out. It may work. You may fall flat on your face, but that risk you should be ready to take. And that's what we just said. Let's go all out. Let's have colors in our house because we are colorful people. And I think it worked. I used to live in a 500 square feet house in a small suburb called Chembur. We used to have music mehfils which used to start at 9 o'clock in the night and go on till 7 in the morning. We've had food, no place to sit, no place to stand. But it's just the joy, those moments, we can never ever forget those moments. So I don't think that the amount of square feet you have, the number of square feet equals, the number of people coming to your house. That's not important. I think if you have it in your mind, it can happen even in a small house or even in a big house like this. Okay, so we're going to our bedroom. Chalo. Part of my family, this is Honey, that's Kiwi. Sometimes they chew the furniture, chew the cushions. In fact, at night they come and sleep on our bed. Once the lights are off, they know they have to come on the bed. But it's perfectly okay because what is the point in having a house that doesn't get transformed to a home? It gets transformed to a home only when all the people, including these two darlings, they feel comfortable and happy. Come on, come on. Come. Chicken. Building this place brick by brick. It was a dream, which I always shared with somebody, and it wouldn't have been complete without my dear wife, Sangeeta, who's my childhood sweetheart. So that's her. That's my wife, Sangeeta.
Hi.
Every single tile, every single piece of cloth, every paint, every color has been chosen by us together. This is an example of how we have built our life together, small things put together, and then we kind of constructed our life, isn't it?
Yeah, for us, we always want to have our family, our friends, extended family, the friends, everybody come and stay with us, spend good amount of time. The whole idea that we wanted it that way, that the house has enough rooms
We have enough space to chill, both
to
of us
chill.
only.
Of course, yeah. That is. So we have our corners here. We have the gazebo, and then we have the riverside where mornings we just take our green tea, and he takes his coffee, I take my green tea, and we sit and just chill and listen to the sound of the water flowing. Chal, I'm going. You continue with your thing.
दिल अभी भरा
Don't
नहीं.
embarrass me.
Okay. So the story is not done yet. This place is, set against nature, as you can see, and I want to tell you a lot. Why tell you? I'll show you only. Now, come, let's go. So this is what it is. The entire house, you can call it the back side, but I would call it the front side because this is the main side. It overlooks this beautiful flowing stream or a mini river or whatever you can call it. This is something that you can never ever get in a city. You can possibly get a lake, you can get a pond, but you'll never get a flowing river like this. It's nice to just take a break from, from music so that you can think about music. You know what I mean? You need to step back a little bit. You have to go away from music so that you can start thinking afresh. So the sound of the water, just hear the water. You hear that? So this is something that I look forward to. We just come here, sit, not even play music, just listen to this water and get inspired. And from this, you can start hearing notes. You can start hearing melodies. You can start hearing new tunes and new songs. So this is what inspires me. Siddharth, Shivam, come. You're sitting on the cover, huh?
Yeah, I'll sit.
You know what is the greatest blessing? The greatest blessing is for an artist to have both the kids perform, sing, create music with me. And then sitting in the studio when three of us are working together on stage. A very weird thing for me is when I go on stage and I say that, the next song I'm going to sing is a song which is sung by my son. That's a very rare thing. Normally a son says that, ye mere father ne gaya tha, ye mere father ka gana hai. But for me, it's a blessing when I say that this is a song sung by my son and I'll sing it for you.
This home, the farm home, is called Sahana. When we reached that age when we were going to get married and we started thinking about children, right from the beginning.
Much before we
Yeah.
got married,
Yeah, so then we said, okay, ladka hoga, so it's going to be Siddharth, and if it's a girl, she has to be Sahana, because Sahana is also a beautiful rag, is what, and the name, we really like the name. So we said, chalo, ladki nahi, to ghar ko hi naam rak dete.
And it's a beautiful raga also. That's Sahana Raga. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You're watching Asian Paints, where the heart is.